You can't focus, right? You look at Instagram. You look at YouTube. And the day is gone. It's not your fault. Your system is wrong. Focus is not a muscle, it's a filter. You don't need more power, you need less noise. My profession is crypto. I build systems. Before than that, I was lost. Too many things and too many problems. But now I know how to focus. Today I show you 10 simple rules. They will help your mind to stay clear. Rule number 1. You should write your not to-do list, not a to-do list. My list is really easy. No phone in the morning, no useless talk, no drama, and no bad people around me. This is really important because otherwise they will consume your energy and you cannot do anything in your own life. Every new yes that you set to those people, it's a no to your dreams and your future. Rule number 2. You need to put your focus triggers. Focus is not a luck, it's a plan. Use small signals for yourself. Same desk, same music, same time. My steps are really clear. First in the morning, drink water, make coffee, put on your headphones and start the timer. After then, my brain knows that it's a work time. I cannot miss that. Rule number 3. You need to start hard in your day. What does it mean? Do not start with your day with an easy work. Start with the hardest one. The first job is the key. If I win early, I will win the day. No emails, no social media, and no excuses. Rule number 4. You need to be a really hard person to reach. Too many people are calling you, too many people are texting you. Turn off all your alerts. Only one person in my team and also my family can reach me in the daytime. If all people can reach you, you will never focus on your dreams and your targets. Rule number 5. You need to add pressure on your precious time. When you have more time, you move slow. Give yourself less time when you are doing something. Make a real time limit. Don't say, okay, I will do it until the Friday. No, today, 3 p.m., I will finish it. Push yourself all the time. Small pressures will help you focus. Rule number 6. You need to train your feet. Social media is actually useful, but depending on how you're using that. Teach your feet. Search useful things about your life. Hide useless tapes. And don't say, okay, I will save this post and I will use it later. No, we all know that you will never watch these videos again. Rule number 7. You need to plan your week. If you don't have any plan, you don't have peace in your life as well. I'm planning my week day by day. So Monday is a planning day for all of my businesses. Tuesday is about economics research. So what's happening in the global market and what's happening in the crypto market. I will do my shootings on every Wednesday, and Thursday I will do my meetings, and Friday I check everything what did I do this week. That plan will not cage you. Otherwise, it will give you freedom. Rule number 8. You need to reward your progress and see your progress. You are not getting bored. The only problem, you are not seeing your progress. Every time, write your wins one by one. Check your goals and mark it on your board. Every small wins needs to make you happy because the important thing is not working hard. Make it sustainable. Rule number 9. You need to manage your energy. Energy is not a thing that you're given. You will create that. Move your body because when you exhaust your body, you will relax your mind. Are you feeling tired in a day? Just do some push-ups. Make a move. That will give back your energy. In only 1 minute, that can change your mood. Last but not least rule, find your flow. Trust me, you are not broken. Your system is wrong. Each week, ask yourself, what gives me energy? And also, what drains my energy as well? Did you find it? Great. Change that immediately. Don't wait to be a perfect. Just keep going. Try these 10 rules for 7 days. Write your not to-do list. Use your signals, use your triggers, and start your day with the hardest work that you have and watch every small wins of you. After 1 week, you will not believe yourself. That will be a big change for you. Motivation can go easily, but systems will always stay. So be consistent. Bye-bye.